Ever wondered why some research topics resonate more with the public than others? It all comes down to real-world significance. This isn't just about making headlines. It's about choosing a subject that has practical importance, relevance beyond academia. The implications of this choice can have a profound impact on a researcher's career and the broader society. It's essential to consider personal interest and mental health too. So, as an intending researcher, your choice of research topic sets the tone for your impact on academia and the world at large. Now, how do you go about choosing a research topic with real-world significance? Here are a few crucial factors to consider. Firstly, consider whether your research addresses challenges. Does your topic seek to fill gaps in knowledge or practice? If your research offers practical solutions or insights, it can lead to positive change and be of immense value. Secondly, ponder over the practical impact of your topic. Does it address issues that tangibly affect society, industry, or a specific community? A topic with practical impacts can generate knowledge or solutions applicable to real-world problems. Thirdly, think about the relevance of your research to stakeholders. Policymakers, businesses, non-profit organizations, or the general public may all have an interest in your work. Your research could inform decision-making and improve practices. Fourthly, consider the long-term value of your research. Topics with real-world significance often have lasting relevance, with findings that remain valuable as circumstances evolve. Fifthly, don't forget about funding. Available resources can greatly influence the scope and sustainability of your research. Lastly, consider your personal motivation and engagement. A topic of real-world significance can be more motivating as you see the potential for your work to make a meaningful difference. These factors, when carefully considered, can guide you to choose a research topic that not only stimulates your interest, but also has the potential to make a significant impact. To wrap things up, let's revisit the key takeaways about selecting a research topic with real-world significance. Choosing such a topic is more than just an academic exercise. It's about addressing practical challenges and contributing to positive change. It's about choosing a topic that resonates with your interests and motivations, ensuring you remain engaged and motivated throughout your research journey. Consider the long-term value of your research. Will it continue to contribute to discussions and improvements in the field? Will it be of interest to stakeholders such as policymakers, businesses, non-profit organizations, or the general public? Remember that funding is a key consideration. It impacts the scope and sustainability of your research. So consider whether your topic has the potential to attract funding. Importantly, ensure your topic has a tangible impact on society, industry, or a specific community. It should generate knowledge or solutions that can be applied to real-life problems. Remember, the choice of a research topic is a critical step in your research journey. Choose wisely and make an impact. Follow on LinkedIn, YouTube, and other social media for more.